Welcome to class. In today's class, I'm going to be showing you an amazing way of calculating half of a number. Now let's take the first one, 98 divided by 2. That is, find half of what? 98. Now I know it's easier for you to calculate half of this two-digit number, but let's just use the trick and see. Now multiply the first digit by 5. 9 times 5 is obviously what? 45. What is half of the last digit? That is the unit digit. Half of it is 4. Then 45 plus 4 is what? 49. And obviously 49 is what? Half of what? 98. Amazing trick, right? Okay, now let's continue. Let's try number 2 example. 112 divided by 2. Now this number has 3 digits this time around. Now just pick the first 2 digits, okay, and reserve the last digit. Always reserve the last digit, that is the unit digit. So 11 multiplied by 5, that will give us 55, right? And what is half of 2? 1. 55 plus 1 is what? 56. And 56 is what? Obviously half of what? 112. I know you might want to ask, what if half of that particular number is not a whole number? Yes, this method will still work for it. Now pick the first 2 digits here. Pick the first 2 digits here. 32 multiplied by 5. 32 times 5 is what? 160. And what is half of 5? Is what? 2.5. And I have 160 plus 2.5, and that will give me what? 162.5. And I know you can attest to it that yes, 162.5 is obviously what? Half of 325. This method works for more than 2, 3, 5 digits. Okay, so you can try it on your own at home. Now the major thing you need to note here is always reserve the last digit, that is the unit digit. Then every other digit before it multiply by 5, then you add it up to half of your last digit, and with that you get half of that particular number. So I will want to try out this one at home. 1236 divided by 2, that is find half of 1236, and I want you to drop your answer in the comment section. I'm sure you've learned something to this class, and I can't wait to see my next class. And until then,